Alright guys, welcome back. It's been a little while, we haven't made a video for a little bit. Waiting for summer to come around to put out more content because obviously we use camping gear, camping equipment, and we're going to start doing videos at campsites. One item, I don't think I've covered a whole lot, and I think it's very important nowadays because we have GPSs, we have telephones, a lot of electrical devices that we take out when we go camping. And this item, to me, is nowadays it's essential. I mean, when I go somewhere, I don't have to worry about batteries. Let me show you what that is. Inside of my Gray Man bag. Check out the footprint on this. Very small size. This is a folding solar charger made by the company eScene. What's really cool about this, not only is it water resistant, you have a lot of places so that you can open this and then hang it off your bag, which I think is a really cool feature. The bag itself, this little pouch here, it has almost like a rubberized seal, which would help a lot with water resistance. Once you seal this up, the seam almost vanishes. See if we can catch that. See, it's very well done. I mean, I haven't seen this done on a lot of, items. This is really cool. So you go ahead and you open it up. You have one port. You're looking at about a 10-watt panel. And what I like to carry in these, check this out. I got a little 10,000 milliamp battery, which will recharge most devices. Normal phones these days will charge it 2-3 times. Other devices. But this isn't what we're covering. We're covering this panel. Let me get this out of the way. So as you can see, the eScene panel is folding. The awesome thing about it is it's not like the larger ones where you have to fold in and worry about Velcro. This is all in one. Nice cool zipper around the side. You open it up and boom. There's your SunPower panels. Very efficient panels. I gotta tell you, I've bought solar panels from other distributors, and these are probably some of the nicest made, clean, no damage to the panels itself. Came packaged really well. From what I've used it, it's a great product, and I highly recommend this to other people. Very compact. We're gonna come back in a second. I'm gonna show you what came in the box. We're gonna put everything into the box, or at least around the box. Show you everything it came with. Here you have your rating spec. And I'm going to show you everything it came with, and I'm going to show you how you can set it up on your backpack. And then we'll talk a little bit more about it. Be right back. Alright guys, I wanted to show you really quick a few reasons why I think these things are so useful, and I really recommend everybody to get into solar and get some kind of panel. Again, I highly recommend eScene. This is a great product. Let me show you how I use these, what I use them for. So whether it's, your 10,000 mAh battery pack, you plug them in. This one plugs in here on the side. Whether you're plugging this in and leaving it in the pouch, really simple. You're going to get in here. All you got to do is do that. You can leave it in here sealed, leave it out under some shade, open up your panel, boom, you're charging a battery. Maybe you don't have a battery. Same thing, you're going to switch out, plug in your phone, and there you go, you're going to start charging up a phone. What I think they're really great for is if you have flashlights. Everybody needs a flashlight, but nobody likes to carry around tons of batteries. You get yourself a chargeable battery, you get yourself a panel, and then check this out. A lot of people don't know they make these now. You have to stay with the times and see what they have. You could be sitting there charging up your batteries while you're at the campsite. Any of these cool ways to use this panel, whether it's just your phone, batteries for kids, for their toys, or flashlights, battery packs, or your phones. This is going to keep everything going in a very simple, small package. You can't go wrong. I think everybody needs these. So go look for one. You know, if you're gonna get one, go with this brand. You know, I really like it, and you know, I'm looking forward to trying out some more of their products. Alright guys, we're back. I want to show you how I like to mount this on my backpack. Really simple. It has so many attachment points that, you know, with it comes included. 4 carabiners came included. I only needed 2. But check this out. I can be running down the mountain, because that's what I do. I run up and down mountains. This will stay on the back of your bag, fully open, collecting free power from the sun. The reason I like this one so much is because unlike other solar panels, and I have other ones, guys, this one with the zip water resistant pouch on the back, you can totally, here, let me close that. You can grab, you know, my battery pack is the size of a phone. You can totally have your device in here, fully protected, charging, zip it on up. You don't have to worry about cables. You don't have to, you know, mess around with it. Your device is going to be charging in a separate pouch, protected while you're moving. You don't have to have anything out. I always recommend using a battery pack. It's always better, I think, to save as much energy as you can, and then use that pack to then charge your phone. I want to show you guys the setup of this. Very cool item. I mean, the blueprint on it is, you know, it's a perfect size. You don't have too many panels, and you don't have, you know, the very tiny ones, the little battery packs that supposedly charge themselves and take, you know, a week to do so. I live in California. We get a lot of sun. I was able to use this panel outside facing the sun. You know, clear skies, about 101 degrees outside. This withstood the heat perfectly. I didn't see any kind of deformation or anything. I got my phone, which is a ZTE Z Max. It's a 4,000 milliamp phone. Every 2 minutes, I would get 1%. You know, to me, that's awesome. I mean, especially in an emergency, whether you're charging flashlights, whether you're charging any USB device, this is great for one device, and it charges it really well. I mean, I was getting speeds, you know, right around what you'd get off a wall charger in your house. Awesome product. Let me show you what it came with. I'm going to set this down. So here's the box it came in. You know, nice box, eSIM, share the sun. You know, cool little model. Came with, you know, your little product card. Thanking you, which is awesome. You know, if you have any problems, contact them. You know, congratulating you on your purchase. Came with a little user manual. I mean, these are straightforward, guys. I never read these. You know, I don't think you would need to either. It came with 4 carabiners, which is awesome. I mean, normally companies won't throw these in. You know, for $39.99, guys, you're not going to go wrong. I mean, it's going to give you, a lot of use. And, you know, you're going to save time on having to plug in a phone. You're going to have free energy. And then it came with a little micro USB charging port. And what I liked, everything came in, you know, the carabiners came in a little Ziploc. But what I found important, and maybe other people don't, is I've gotten, you know, supposed high quality panels, you know, little folding chargers. None of them were well protected. This one at least came in this bag, sealed completely. You know, it wasn't going to get wet on the way. It wasn't going to get dirty. I got to open it, and it smelled like brand new. So that was pretty cool. What more can I say about this? It's a great buy. I mean, check that out, guys. I mean, that's about as cool as you're going to get. I'm definitely going to start looking into, you know, this company. I was so impressed with this product. This company makes backpacks with built-in solar panels, and they look really roomy and really efficient, and then even the plugs are built in. You know, stay tuned. I'll be probably picking one of those up soon and doing another review. It's a great product, and I hope you guys like it. Check it out. I mean, go to Amazon, pick one up. You know, you're going to try it, you're going to love it. If you don't love it, you guys know Amazon because everybody buys off Amazon. If you don't like it, Amazon's going to take it back. So give them a try. I'm really glad that I did. Cool stuff. It's another episode of Adrian Survives.